finally got Cairo his new car seat. It's the Maxi Cosi Pria, the 3-in-1, and it's a convertible car seat. This is what it looks like, and it's in the color blackened pearl. He's been growing so fast, it seems like that it was definitely time to upgrade. So we will go ahead and get it opened and check it out. So exciting. My husband Scott is just gonna go ahead and open it up and unbox it. We'll take a look. So in the box, you'll also find this quick start installation guide with lots of pictures to make for an easy install. Guys, so this is the car seat right out of the box. I love the colors. So let's go ahead and get right into this review. First, let's talk about all the pros and all the reasons why I like this car seat. The car seat is currently in the reclined rear-facing mode to accommodate my 20-pound, 8-month-old son. It has 3 levels total for the reclined position itself. It seats infants from 4 to 40 pounds in the harnessed rear-facing mode, so that means that it also fits preemies, which is awesome. As you can tell, the shoulder harness is super easy to adjust to make it fit each child. Plus, these harness holders on the side make it easier for you to get your child in and out of the seat. It is one of my favorite features for sure. Next, we have this wedge pillow. It is one of the 3 pillows that are offered inside of the car seat, and it has memory foam padding, which is super soft and high quality, providing your little one with added comfort. And all 3 of these pillows are removable and washer and dryer safe. The headrest is super easy to adjust as well. All you have to do is squeeze the button and move it up or down until you find the perfect fit for your child. And there is a total of 5 headrest heights. This car seat is also equipped with G-Cell side impact protection, which is a super important safety feature that protects your child's head. And I am so glad that this car seat offers that. It also has 2 cup holders that are removable and dishwasher safe. And so far we use one for Kai's sippy cup and the other one for toys. It has a wide range for weight and age, so it fits little ones from birth till they grow up to be about 10 years old and weighing from 4 up to 100 pounds. So as I previously stated, there are so many great features to this car seat, and Kai seemed to really enjoy it during our 9-hour road trip. But let's go ahead and take a minute to talk about the cons. One thing to keep in mind is that the car seat is quite bulky and it takes up a lot of room. So there is a possibility that it might not fit in a smaller car. It is somewhat heavy. It weighs 19.25 pounds, so for some people it might be difficult to travel with. But overall, I do think this is a great car seat, and so far it's worked really well for us. The fact that it has so many features, it's super comfy, and it will last a while is what sold me on it. And the overall comfort and safety that it provides for my baby outweighed any minor dissatisfactions or issues that I had. I'd give it a 4.5 out of 5 stars. This brings us to the end of the video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye!